Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another Gala Games price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Gala Games chart, which at the time of this recording has lost the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, and it's now acting as resistance. We have also seen a breakout out of a chart pattern that we had over here, which is a descending channel, which gave us a breakout to the lower side, and we are also just about to fully maximize our target areas to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2. And at the time of this recording, we have also continued to hold above a key area of support at around the $0.0436 mark. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, and before I give you my next price targets here on the Gala Games chart, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to continue with the video here on the 4-hour chart by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening, where you can see that Gala Games, from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside, obeying the Elliot structures, where you can see that I have this Elliot structure in blue, having the wave 5 making its peak at around the $0.06316 mark. And after seeing the formation of this 5-wave structure right here in blue, I believe Gala Games completed an even larger Elliot wave count 1 of this Elliot structure right here in yellow. And after seeing the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 1, whatever we expect next is a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, and I believe this is a move that is playing out, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, that gives me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2 between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.618, and I have marked that target area here on the charts, which lies between the $0.04484 mark and the $0.0337 mark, and it is within this red target area that I'm expecting to see the low for this second wave to the lower side before we can start another massive bounce to the upside in the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 3. And in the formation of that wave 2, we have also seen a breakout out of this chart pattern that we had over here, which is a descending channel, which gave us a breakout to the lower side. And after seeing the breakout, we got support at around the $0.04332 mark, which is a significant support zone here on the Gala Games chart. And I'm expecting two possible scenarios to play out here on the Gala Games chart at the time of this recording. There are chances that we might lose this key area of support in case that key support zone is unable to hold, and in case we see a breakout to the lower side, I'll be expecting to see a retest of that key area of support. And once the retest is in, then we can fully maximize our target areas to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2, which will be another perfect entry into Gala Games, so that you can be able to ride that bounce to the upside in the formation of that wave 3. That is the first possible move that we can expect over here. The other one is this support zone might continue to hold, and we can expect a massive bounce to the upside to give us a break above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart. And once we manage to break above the 4-hour chart, then there are chances that we might continue having the support that we need for us to continue pushing even higher, get back above the wave 1 high at around the $0.06318 mark. And once that happens, then that could be the start of the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 3, which is right here. But for now, we have not yet seen any confirmations that we have seen the low for this fourth wave, because we have not yet fully maximized our target area in the formation of this wave 2. But once the confirmation is in, then there are chances that we might start that bounce to the upside in the formation of that wave 3. And once that happens, then I will also sketch out my minimum target areas to the upside in the formation of that wave 3. So those are the two possible moves that I'm expecting over here, and for me, I'm in favor of seeing one more leg down to fully maximize the formation of this wave 2 before we can expect that massive bounce to the upside in the formation of that wave 3. And if I also take a look at the indicators before I give you the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting over here, on the RSI we are trading at around the 29 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to support further movements to the upper side, and a bit of room for us to support lower movements to fully maximize the formation of that wave 2 before we get into the oversold region. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able able to print a bearish cross, fully supporting the formation of that wave 2, and jumping to the daily chart to give you the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out here on the Gala Games chart. Using the Elliot wave structures, you can see that Gala Games, from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw a massive bounce to the upside, making it to an all-time high at around the $0.85 mark in what I'm terming as that first wave to the upside. And after seeing the all-time high, we started the bear market, where we had been seeing low prices in this ABC corrective structure, which gave us the low for that second wave. And on the long-term scenarios, I'm expecting a massive bounce to the upside in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 3, having the minimum target area of that wave 3 to the upside at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $1.36017 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting that wave 3 to the upside to do before we can expect a wave 4 and then push even higher in the formation of that wave 5. So those are my short-term and also the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out here on the Gala Games chart, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.